So the next plant that we're going to talk about are the violets. And this is probably one of our spring wildflowers that everybody knows about, at least recognizes. The common blue violet. It's the most common one, but they come in other colors too, which we'll talk about. Before we take a look at the plants, I wanted to tell you a little bit about the folklore of violets. It was known as the flower of modesty because the blossoms often sort of tucked themselves between the heart-shaped leaves as if they were being very modest. And in folklore, remember the doctrine of the signatures? Well, because it has a heart-shaped leaf, it was sometimes known as heart's ease and was an old-time remedy for treating heart disease. Another little interesting fact about it is that from about the 16th century forward, it was used as a pain reliever. One of the ingredients, chemicals inside the plant is salicylic acid, and it's one of the chief ingredients in aspirin. So violets were used as a pain reliever as well. So anyway, let's go take a look at some. I'm out here at Burton Wetlands taking a walk, and I just happened upon this really nice clump of common blue violets. This is your typical violet that everybody knows about. What I don't think everybody knows is that violets can come in a variety of colors. So you might have some yellow violets or some white violets that you might find, and if I can find them, we'll feature those as well in these little video clips. And here's a wonderful example of some of our native violets. This is a beautiful plant right here. Look at this one. This is called the halberd-leaved violet, named for that sort of lance-shaped leaf that resembles the blade of a medieval weapon called the halberd. Again, you'll notice the purple stripes on the lower middle petal there, again acting as insect runways to direct insects right into the center of that plant to get nectar, and then of course to help in pollination of these violets. Beautiful example. So as I'm walking along the trail here, I found another species of violet. We've seen the yellow halberd violet, we've seen the common blue violet, and now here is the cream violet. Isn't that pretty? It's got those little purple racing stripes on the lower middle petal there to guide the insects to where the nectar is. It's a beautiful violet. And here is yet another species of violet right here. These are kind of white, pale purple. It's called long spurred violet because it has a long spur on the back of the blossom. See if I can turn that around for you. See that long spur right there? You can sort of see the spurs sticking out the back there on that blossom, on the blossoms right in the foreground here.